In this assignment, we are going to use the PC and the k-means to do some image processing and the data visualization. At first, in the text one, we are going to use the PC. PC is kind of is a pre-simple component analysis. We using this PC function to get the relevant parameters, and will animate some other noise. So in here, at first we need to load the images. We use DRR function to get all the images name and to read it. By the way, because because images is kind of two dimension 2D images, so we need to convert these 2D images into one vector, which means if, for example, one image is 64 by 64, so we need to convert these images into the 1 by 4096 vector for the PC processing, and then we got the PC. PC is the eigenvector for each images, for the images. So then in the text one, we need to show the first 12 eigenfaces. So the first first 12 eigenfaces looks like this. As for the text 2, we are going to use the k-means to cluster the images. The k-means means we initially setting a number of groups. The center, will be randomly selected. Then we choose the images according to their distance with these centers. If the distance with one center is the shortest, so then this image will include that in that cluster. So as for test 2, we also need to do the average face. Average face is we need to got the index for each cluster images. Then we combine them, sum them together, and divide their to get the mean value for each pixel. Then we can get the average face. So as for text 2, the average face is look like this. Then as for the text 3, we need to do the PC at first. We select the only 100 dimensions. That will then we do the k-means. It's almost the same with the text 2. However, the most difference between the text 2 is that we using the PC that will decrease the dimension from 4096 to the 100. That will decrease the computation. So the final result